Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. I don't know about you, but every once in a while I like to change up the decor in my living room just by changing the pillows. It can be a great way to make everything look fresh and new again. I'm absolutely thrilled with the quality of these ones by MIULEE. These ones are beautiful and the color is very true to the pictures in the description. I absolutely love the gold leather strip on it, and the velvet is so soft and plush. These are really well made, really well sewn. It has a hidden zipper that glides beautifully back and forth. I got my pillow covers in the 20 by 20, and you can see by comparison with an 18 by 18 up against it what the difference in size is. I'm absolutely in love with how cozy and soft these are, and the gold leather strip just adds this touch of luxury and elegance to my living room. These pillow covers are top-notch quality. You won't regret getting them, and that's my point of view.